and committee of 6 is formed from 4 ladies and 7 gentlemen. Find the probability that the committee will consist of exactly 2 lady members, at least 2 lady members. So here we see that 6 is formed from 4 ladies and 7 gentlemen. So here 4 lady and 7 gentlemen. So I am writing 4 ladies as 4L and 7 gentlemen as 7G. Now a committee of 6 is formed. So S is equals to 6 committee members are selecting from 4 lady and 7 gentlemen. That means total 4 plus 7 equals to 11 persons. Right? 11 persons. Now 6 committee members are selecting from 11 persons in 11C 6 way. Right? Now first part is A is equals to exactly 2 lady. That means if 2 lady exactly, we are selecting 6 committee members. If exactly 2 lady, then 4 are gentlemen. That means 2 lady and 4 gentlemen. So we can select 2 lady from out of 4 lady, 4C 2 ways, and 4 gentlemen out of 7 gentlemen, 7C 4 ways. Therefore the probability of A what? Even points of A 4C2 into 7C4 whole divided by even point of S 11C6. This is the answer. Come to the second part. At least 2 lady members. So here at least 2 lady. So at least 2 lady means here we can get some parts. At least 2 lady means 2 or more ladies. So there are possible ways are 2 ladies and 4 gentlemen, because we are selecting 6 members. So 6 members mean 2 ladies and 4 gentlemen. Next part is if 3 ladies then 3 gentlemen, because there are 6 committee members. If 4 lady then 2 are gentlemen. So here are 3 possible ways, because there are maximum lady members are 4. So we can select 2 lady or 3 lady or 4 ladies. If we select 2 ladies, then the gentlemen will be 4. If we select 3 lady, the gentlemen are 3. If we select 4 ladies, then the gentlemen are 2. So 2 lady and 4 gentlemen. Out of 4 lady, we can select 2 lady, 4C 2 ways, and out of 7 gentlemen, we can select 4 gentlemen, 7C 4 ways. Similarly, 3 lady out of 4, we can select 4C 3 ways, and 3 gentlemen out of 7 gentlemen in 7C 3 ways. Similarly, 4 lady out of 4 lady, we can select 4C 4 ways, and 2 gentlemen out of 7 gentlemen in 7C 2 ways. Therefore, the B equals to 4C2 into 7C4 plus 4C3 into 7C3 plus 4C4 into 7C2. Therefore, the probability of B what? Even points of B 4C2 into 7C4 it plus 4C3 into 7C3 plus 4C4 into 7C2 whole divided by even points of S 11C6.